Are you looking for a digital multimeter, but you don't want to spend more than $20? Are you a DIY homeowner, an electrician, HVAC technician, and you're looking for a really good multimeter, maybe a backup multimeter just in case your high-end meter goes bad? You have a meter that can do almost everything your high-end meter could do. This is the Tesmen Smart Digital Multimeter. I've been using this for a few weeks. It's very nice. It does almost everything my high-end meter does. And if you're looking for a backup meter or a main meter to use, this is a great multimeter. Link in the description for this product. If you don't want to spend more than $20, then look no further because this thing is really nice for the price. This is the box that the TM510 Smart Digital Multimeter comes in. This is the meter itself, really nice, comes with some leads, a user manual, and comes with a really nice carrying case. Let's go ahead and take and open this box here so you see what you will get. Comes with batteries, meter leads, the meter, and a manual, and then it has a carrying case. Very nice. I'm going to show you how to put the batteries in. Let's talk about the features. Before we turn the meter on the side of the box, it shows you it has auto range, non-contact voltage NCV, a flashlight, data hold, LCD backlight, and 4,000 counts. So let me turn the meter on and show you, but before I do that, we've got green, red, and blue. So we got different colors that we can choose from just in case you don't like the green. I like the green. Let me show you how to put the batteries in. So to get the batteries in, you want to take this little green cover off. Once you get the cover off, you've got one Phillips screw that you need to take out to get this cover plate on the back off, and then you can access the location that the batteries need to be installed at. So once you're done, put the Phillips screw back in, and then you just snap this back into the case like that. Woohoo! Now let me show you how to use the meter. First, I'm going to plug my leads into the meter, push the power button. It's got an auto range feature, so it will go from volts AC, volts DC. We've got ohms or resistance, continuity, and then NCV. We use this button to go to the non-contact voltage reading. And this right here is your little LCD display. So you push this button, you'll illuminate the display, and then we're going to check this receptacle here. And we plug our meter leads in, 115 volts, see that? Well, we're doing, okay, there we go, 116 volts. And we just checked AC voltage. Now what I'm going to do is push NCV, and now we can go to anything that has voltage. You see how the light is not there? Now you can see a light up here. See the green light? Red, it's high voltage, green, low. Okay, so that's very interesting. Now let's turn the NCV back off. Now let's check continuity. See that? We got continuity. So we got a closed loop there. See that? Also, what I really like is you hold this button down. You got a light on the back. Look at that. That's awesome. So if you're working in a dark area, you can use this light to provide some light in the area that you're working. Really nice meter. You can also check sensors. I'll show you that really quickly. All right, now I'm going to check this sensor here. This is a 10 kilo ohm sensor. So we're going to take the meter leads, and it's reading in range. So you can see this auto range feature is nice. Whatever you're measuring, resistance, voltage, DC, AC, it automatically goes to it, and it's really nice. So let me show you the warranty. The warranty really is nice because it's just unbelievable that you can buy this for around $20 and then have a warranty that's 3 years. Look at this. 3-year warranty. Tesmen will repair without charge any defects due to faulty materials or workmanship for 3 years from the date of purchase, provided that proof of purchase is produced and it hasn't been misused. So make sure you keep the receipt, and you have a 3-year warranty with this meter. Unbelievable. Also want to explain the data hold. You see this button that says H NCV. You can push this button while you're doing your reading, and it will hold that data there on the screen for you. So it says press this button while performing a test to hold or freeze the reading for easy recording. The screen will display H when the hold function is activated. Press the button again to cancel the data hold. And then, of course, a long press, and this will activate the NCV function. Please read the manual. You've got so much information at your fingertips that they provide with this manual. Installing the batteries, and then you've got an auto power off feature. So if you leave it on, it'll automatically turn itself off. Data hold, low battery indicator. So if the batteries are going dead, you've got AAA batteries that come with the device. So very nice. If you are in the market for a new digital smart multimeter, look no further than the Tesmen, especially if you want something really affordable that has a lot of the features that these high-end meters have. Check out Tesmen, link in the description for this product. Please, before you leave, hit the like button, subscribe, smash that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. You need help with your project, you need tech support, then definitely do not forget to become a member. Check out my membership levels. You can have access to my phone number, my email, and I can help you to use your multimeter or learn how to use it. I am here to help. Before you leave, if you got a question, put it in the comments because questions become content. I really appreciate all my viewers, subscribers, and definitely my members. You've been watching HVAC Tips for Technicians. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.